The shortcut to passing the DMV driving test is road signs, and if you memorize these 30 US road signs, passing is guaranteed. Alright, let's go. What is this road sign? Correct. This is the traffic light ahead. This traffic sign is? Well spotted. This is the designated parking area. Which traffic sign is this? Good observation. This sign prohibits pedestrian crossing. Name this road sign. That's right. This is the railroad crossing crossbuck. What is this traffic sign? That's correct. This is the speed limit ahead. This road sign is? Nicely done. This is the yield sign ahead. Name this traffic sign. Awesome. This sign prohibits parking. Which road sign is this? Good observation. This is the do not enter. What is this traffic sign? Correct. This is the winding road. This traffic sign is? Nicely done. This is the airport. Identify this road sign. Awesome. This is a designated truck route. Name this traffic sign. That's correct. This is wrong way warning sign. What is this road sign? Nicely done. This is the divided highway begins. This traffic sign is? Correct. This is the Y intersection sign. Identify this traffic sign. That's right. This is the bus station sign. Name this road sign. Nice job. This is the emergency vehicle sign. Name this traffic sign. Correct. This is the narrow bridge sign. What is this traffic sign? Good observation. This is the flagger ahead sign. This road sign is? That's right. This is the divided highway ends. Name this traffic sign. Awesome. This is the equestrian sign. This traffic sign is? That's correct. This is the snowmobile sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. This is the hospital sign. What is this traffic sign? Nice. This is the bicycle route sign. Identify this road sign. That's correct. It is the handicapped accessible sign. Name this traffic sign. Correct. This is the train station sign. What is this road sign? That's right. This is the diesel fuel. This traffic sign is? Good observation. This is the horse-drawn vehicle sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign prohibits trucks. Name this road sign. That's correct. This is the added left lane sign. What is this traffic sign? Nicely done. This is low clearance sign. That concludes today's video. If you found this video useful, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest road sign videos and study guides. See you in the next video.